These ads are getting on my nerves, my vagus nerves. We should get this person in the room.
Chloe, we're going to Disneyland!
Wow! We went through our comments and pulled the most brutal ones we could find. Someone accused us of causing paralysis. Someone compared us to a taser. So buckle up. I'm Mykolas from the Pulsetto clinical team, and today I'm reading these on behalf of the entire company. You're welcome. The vagus nerve causes you nausea and vomiting when overstimulated. Scam. Half credit, honestly. The vagus nerve is genuinely linked to nausea in some situations. That's real physiology. But overstimulated is doing a lot of work there. I mean, this thing is calibrated and adjustable. It's a good instinct, but a wrong conclusion. Cool. Another addiction for the weak-minded. What are you addicted to? Feeling less anxious? Sleeping better? Yeah, guilty as charged. At this point, just tape a taser to your neck. I mean, that's genuinely funny. It's wildly inaccurate on the actual voltage, but it's funny. I mean, a taser is like 50,000 volts, and our device is at maximum 20 volts, so we're not really in the same league at all. This product causes permanent paralysis. All right, let's pause on the jokes for this one. That's just false. Non-invasive vagus nerve stimulation does not cause paralysis, full stop. Would love to see that research though, because I've looked and I've come up with nothing. Do not fall for this scheme. Look, a scheme usually hides how it works. We show you the device, explain exactly what it does, and then back it with a return policy. I mean, at this point, we've basically handed you the blueprint and a receipt. If this is a scheme, it's the least competent one in recorded history. We'd fail scheming 101. These ads are getting on my nerves, my vagus nerves. It's a pretty good one, actually. What?
So good. It's real.
Why did we not come up with this? We should get this person in the room. They should write our scripts. All right, A+, I have to say, this is genuinely a better comment than anything our marketing department could have come up.
I'm done. Cut the show.
Bro really said trust me and pointed at his own neck. Yeah, that's basically the format of this entire channel. It's pretty accurate. I mean, if you don't believe me, read the research papers. Bought one, felt nothing, returned it, felt amazing. I have to say, it's bold of you to get your best results from our return policy instead of our product. But hey, win's a win, right? Congratulations, you reinvented a dog shock collar for humans. Look, it's a different mechanism, it's a different intensity, and it's a wildly different target. But I gotta say, I respect the commitment to the bit. Also, for the record, my dog has never asked me to try mine, so I think that kind of settles the debate. Well, that's everything we had saved up for today. Honestly, I could keep going. We've got more where all of these came from.
No.
If you want a part 2, tell me in the comments and subscribe so you're around to see when it happens. I promise it gets worse.